Down with VAT, down. Forward with the NHI, forward. Forward with the implementation of Bella Act, forward. Down with the GNU, down. Down with the GNU, down. Down with the reactionary forces that want to divert our revolution, down. Thank you, comrades. Firstly, we want to commend and greet all of you workers, particularly for the recent struggles that you have shown in practice. We joined marches led by COSATU, in some instances jointly with SAFTU, to fight against the VAT. We fought against the reactionary forces led by the DA, trying to sabotage the National Health Insurance, which is a universal health care for all, in which all people who are sick will not have to pay at the point of service. They will not be asked whether they have money or not before they are looked after by doctors and medical services. The reactionary forces that want to say they support our movement are fighting against this. They are also fighting against the introduction of the Basic Education Law Amendment Act, which becomes universal access to education at the nearest point of service, because they want exclusivity of whiteism in this country. But hidden behind that is exclusivity of capitalists, because they can afford. So therefore, these forces must be condemned. That's why we supported the nationwide march recently led by SATU, one of your affiliates, Comrade President, nationwide against austerity measures. Austerity measures are budget cuts that are a symbol of neoliberal capitalism. In other words, modern day capitalism is neoliberalism. Neoliberalism means capitalism that do not want the role of the state in the affairs of society. They want the state to be just the lawmakers. Whereas in our case, we have a government mandated by the people to resolve their problems. That is why we are supporting a public-led economy, public-led industrialization, not neoliberal economy, because that allows capitalism to enrich itself at the expense of the majority. And therefore, we are calling on government to take a turning point against neoliberalism and against capitalism. In other words, we are calling for the people's government to assert its independence and serve the working class wholeheartedly, without any shame, without pleasing all the imperialists across the world, including the capitalists here at home. It is in this regard that, comrades, the battles that we have taken together, including the battle to defeat the neoliberal introduction of the VAT by the Treasury team in government, we must condemn this in the strongest possible terms. Now, for instance, we have to listen to reactionary forces that want to create an impression that they are against the VAT, like the DA. They are not for that. What we are calling on the Treasury to do as they are preparing a revised budget is to increase capital income tax. At least they can bring back the percentage that they reduced in the last round of reduction of capital income tax. That will give us more than 4 times what they wanted to do with the VAT. We are also saying they must introduce measures to make sure that SARS can be able to track the capitalists who are not paying tax and recover, Comrade President, as the Commissioner of SARS indicated, almost 800 billion rand. That should be the main focus. It's 800 billion in the hands of capital. They want to run away with it and not serve the interests of the people. And therefore, comrades, we also want to say our government must remain committed to fight against imperialist forces, especially given the new tendency from the White House led by Donald Trump, who's creating problems all over the world. We say the world belongs to us, the world belongs to the working class. Working class of the world unite. You have nothing to lose, but you are chains. The main problems in our country are the problems of capitalism. We are launching a program, Comrade President. We are inviting the entire alliance and all our people as we are rebuilding organic socialism in our country. Because capitalism is not the solution to our crisis. We call it the People's Red Caravan. Everyone is invited to join this program to rebuild our society, reconnect our revolution with the masses, rejuvenate the National Democratic Revolution, and transit towards socialism, not allow the NDR to stagnate and even stall or even be hijacked by forces of capital and even be misdirected. So we want to redirect this from bottoms up. In other words, we'll start with the grassroots up to the national level. We wish COSATU great success. We can see already today's event, great organization, comrades in Mpumalanga, all of you in the alliance, we appreciate your efforts for putting it together. Amandla! Forward to socialism, forward! Down with capitalism, down! Thank you.
Thank you, GS. Siyabonga. Comrades, Amandla! Amandla! Halala Mpumalanga, halala! Halala Mpumalanga, halala!